world where your money isn't tied to a physical bank, but rather floats freely in a digital cloud. Welcome to the new age of finance. This is Profitube. To visualize, think of a currency that's digital, decentralized, and autonomous. This, friends, is cryptocurrency. It may seem complex and overwhelming, but don't worry. Today, we'll simplify the basics, guiding you into the world of cryptocurrency. Essentially, cryptocurrency is a virtual currency secured through cryptography. The crypto refers to the complex cryptography that allows for digitization and handling of currencies and their transactions across independent systems. Sounds complicated? It might, but it's this technology that marks cryptocurrencies as secure and distinctive. Imagine a world where your money isn't tied to a physical bank, but rather floats freely in a digital cloud. Welcome to the age of cryptocurrency. This is Profitube. Step 1 in your cryptocurrency journey: choosing a wallet. A digital wallet is where you'll store your valuable cryptocurrency. Various wallets exist, each differing in their storage method. Some wallets are internet-based, providing easy accessibility but also exposing you to potential online threats. Others are offline, offering heightened security at the expense of convenience. Then there are computer-based wallets, a balance between accessibility and security. Lastly, you have paper wallets, a physical printout of your crypto assets. With numerous options available, it can be overwhelming to select the perfect wallet. Each has unique advantages and potential drawbacks. But remember, security should always be your top priority. Step 2. Selecting a cryptocurrency exchange. An exchange is a platform for trading cryptocurrencies. Popular platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are a few. These exchanges are unique in terms of interface, safety protocols, and additional attributes. Each provides a different user experience and has an individual approach to ensuring security. In addition, they offer unique features tailored to the needs of various types of traders. Therefore, it is essential to do thorough research to find the platform that best fits your needs. So, do your research before you commit. Step 3. Buying your first cryptocurrency. Now the adventure really begins. After successfully setting up your account and ensuring there are adequate funds, you are to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies. Renowned to be the largest and most notable cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum often steal the spotlight. However, the market is vast and diverse, offering you an array of choices. Whether you're a risk taker or a conservative trader, you'll find a cryptocurrency that fits your investment strategy. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies to choose from. Step 4. Managing your investment. Purchasing cryptocurrency signifies the commencement of the journey, not the end. It's crucial to keep a close watch on your investment, meticulously analyzing market trends and adjusting your portfolio as necessary. The realm of cryptocurrency is known for its high volatility. Prices can fluctuate wildly without warning. Thus, it's vital to stay updated with the latest news, market conditions, and trends. Thorough research is a must. In this unpredictable world, don't be complacent. Be proactive, stay informed, and never hesitate to act decisively when the situation demands it. And finally, step 5, staying informed. The realm of digital currency is in a state of constant flux. A host of new cryptocurrencies are debuting, technologies are advancing at an unprecedented pace, and fresh regulations are being instituted on an almost daily basis. This dynamic landscape presents a thrilling yet challenging environment for investors. It's an arena that mandates a proactive approach from its participants, requiring them to stay on their toes at all times. Learning and staying updated isn't a choice, but a crucial necessity in this intricate and fast-moving world. So make sure to stay informed and keep learning. Getting started with cryptocurrency might seem daunting, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Engaging with the world of digital currencies requires patience, curiosity, and a willingness to delve into the unfamiliar. It's like stepping into a whole new realm, a different kind of world where traditional rules of investment and finance are constantly being redefined. The first step is always the hardest. You might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of cryptocurrencies available, the intricate charts, and the unfamiliar terms. But don't let that deter you. Take a deep breath and start with the fundamentals. Understand what blockchain technology is, how it works, and why it's revolutionary. Learn about what makes Bitcoin, the pioneer of all cryptocurrencies, unique. Familiarize yourself with terms like mining, hash rate, block, and ledger. It's like learning a new language, but with persistence and dedication, it becomes second nature. Investing in cryptocurrency is not just about making a quick buck, but understanding believing in a technological revolution that could potentially alter our lives and society in profound ways. It's about seeing potential and growth in a field that is constantly evolving. It's about being part of a community that believes in disrupting the status quo and shaping a future that is decentralized, transparent, and equitable. Remember to keep your emotions in check. The world of cryptocurrency can be volatile, with prices soaring and plummeting within hours. Don't let the fear of losing make you take hasty decisions. Instead, make informed decisions based on thorough research and understanding. And that's a wrap for today's guide on getting started with cryptocurrency. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about the fascinating world of digital currencies, remember to subscribe to Profitube. We've got a wealth of knowledge to share, and we're here to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of finance and investment. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.